Oh, sweetie, you sure do know how to choose them. This is a perfect fit.
Oh, I know, right? I'm so in love with it. There were so many different options. It was so hard for me to choose just one.
No worries, Snickerdoodle. This could be the first of many.
Oh, I'm so glad we're always together to share all her first moments. She's growing so fast.
Wait, you know what this calls for.
Picture time!
Say cheese, Doodle Pop.
What a bigot, what a bigot, what a bigot, what a bigot.
Hello everyone, it's your girl, Just Leave It To Me, back again with a new tutorial. Yes, I know I've been gone for a little while, but here I am back again and I have such a great tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed that quick little animated skit in the beginning created by yours truly. If my intro didn't already give it away, today I will be collaborating with Myfirstwig to show you guys how to make your frontal wig look natural. But first, let me tell you about what comes in this fabulous box from Myfirstwig. So in the box you will find this oh so handy dandy travel wig kit that has all the items in it that can help you lay your wig on the go or at home. You have wig clips, a rat tail comb, hairpins, an elastic band, a wig stand, an instructions manual that tells you how to put the wig stand together, a Flyaway Tamer, which is my personal favorite because it works so well. This kit literally has everything you need as a first time wigster, and even for OGs like myself. Also, if you've seen while I was opening the box, there's also a wig cap inside, but I won't be using the wig cap for this video, but it's definitely there in case you want to use the wig cap method. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so with every wig, whether it tells me it's plucked, ducked, bleached, eached, whatever the case may be, I always go back and bleach and pluck myself. That's just what I do. To be honest, with this wig, you do not have to bleach or pluck because it's already done. This wig is pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, but I just always go back and at least bleach my hairline and pluck a little bit more off of my hairline. If you'd like to see more about how I bleach and pluck my frontals, I already have videos doing that, so look in the description box and those videos will be located there. So once I'm finished with all of that and I wash out and I blow dry the hair, I am ready to install this wig. The first step in having a natural looking wig is tinting the color on the lace to match the color of your skin. The lace already came with a dark tint, but I added some of my liquid foundation to make the lace match my skin even more. Okay, so now it's time to install, and instead of walking you through the whole installation process again, I'm going to take this time to tell you what I think about this wig itself. Okay, so the unit I am wearing today is Myfirstwig's Alexis Malaysian Straight Human Hair Lace Front Wig. This hair color is a natural brown hair color. The hair length is 18 inches. The hair texture is silky. The lace color is a medium brown, and the cap construction is a 6-inch deep Partline lace front wig. So what I love about this wig the most is that even though it is a silky hair texture, the hair's texture still has a little bit of a kink to it. It is still very silky, but it has a tiny bit of texture to it, and I love that personally because it makes it look even more natural. The only thing I will say about the wig though is that the company sent me the lowest density and I didn't really like it. I think it was a little bit too thin, so I would recommend at least a 200 density. I think it worked okay for this video because I was going for more of the natural look, so it not being so heavy didn't really affect it much. But on a regular basis, I would rather my wig be a little fuller than it is in this video. But if you're somebody who enjoys lighter wigs, then the lowest density is probably perfect for you. But for me, I would definitely recommend a 200 density. Another thing that I really like about this wig is the 6-inch parting space. I know I already mentioned this, but I really like it because most wigs that you buy that are already made usually come with like a 2-inch parting space to like a 4-inch parting space, which gives you literally no room to part your hair and makes it look even more wiggy. So another big thing I look at when I'm determining whether I like a wig or not is the quality of the lace. If a lace is too thick, it is very hard to work with and it is very hard to make it look natural. Now for the lace on Myfirstwigs, I actually like the lace. It wasn't the thinnest lace I've ever had, but it was a lace that was thin enough for me to work with. The lace on this wig was not stiff. It moved where I wanted it to move, and it just made it really easy for me to lay it and make it look natural. Okay, so now that my installation is done, I'm gonna wrap my head, go to sleep, and then come back the next day to style. So it's the next day, I'm up, and that scarf has worked its magic, baby. Okay, I love a nice tie down because it is like the icing on a cake to a nice frontal. It just lays everything down and puts everything right in place. I love it. Always after a frontal install, please, please, please scarf your head down for a couple of hours, if not overnight. So as you can see here, I'm just adding some tiny little baby hairs here. Since I'm going for the natural look, I'm not doing anything dramatic, just some tiny little swoops. Okay, y'all, so this right here is my go-to style, especially when I'm going for the natural look. I try to think about how I look or how my hair looks when I just get a fresh new blowout and there's like little curls in it, and you know, there's a little wave pattern going on. So this technique that I'm about to show you is my go-to styling look for almost every and all of my wig hairstyles that I do on myself. I love it so much. So as you can see, all I really do to achieve this style is spiral my flat iron around in the opposite direction of the section of hair that I've chosen, and the curls just kind of form naturally from that spiral. And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings us to the end of our video. Thanks for joining me in yet another tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next time, I'll see you then.